In this video, I'm going to talk about the results of multi-temporal ISA analysis for monitoring the spatial temporal variation of caldera deformation of Miyakejima volcano, Japan. I'm Yuji Himematsu from National Research Institute for Earth Science and Disaster Resilience, Japan. Miyakejima volcano is one of the active volcanoes in Izuboni Arc in Japan, which is located about 180 kilometers southward away from Tokyo. The summit caldera was formed by a previous eruptive episode in 2000. The caldera floor is inaccessible due to steep caldera wall and the ejection of volcanic gas or steam from an active fumarole on the southern edge of the caldera floor. GNSS data have been reported continuous inflation of the whole region of the island with a peak on the southwestern part of the island. And we investigate means of quasi-east-west and the quasi-vertical displacement component using PALSAR data in 2006 to 2011 and the PALSAR-2 data in 2014 to 2019. The spatial characteristics of displacement in each component are almost consistent with the continuous GNSS data except for the caldera floor. And we can find the caldera contraction with substance on the south and the caldera floor in both PALSAR and the PALSAR-2 data. This slide shows the north-south and east-west cross-section of the quasi-vertical displacement component crossing over the center of the caldera floor. We can find the PALSAR quasi-vertical component reveals both a major peak of substance on the center of the caldera floor and a minor peak of substance on the southern edge of the caldera floor. However, a peak of substance derived from PALSAR-2 data locates only on the southern edge of the caldera floor as we plot red triangles. As I mentioned before, there is an active fumarole with emission of volcanic gas or steam on the southern edge of the caldera floor. And actually, the center of caldera floor is an initial position of caldera collapse due to the previous eruptive episode in 2000. So we expect the spatial characteristics of caldera contraction varied from the concentric pattern to the north-south asymmetric pattern during the observation period of PALSAR data. Next, we investigate when the spatial pattern of caldera contraction varied. We show the time series of random side change on both the center and the southern edge of the caldera floor in each observation track. The time series on left sides are derived from PALSAR data. An upper panel in each observation track show the time series of random side change on the center of the caldera floor, and bottom one show on the southern edge of the caldera floor. And we can find the deceleration of random side change on the center of the caldera floor in 2008 to 2009, while the acceleration of random side change on the southern edge of the caldera floor in 2009. Therefore, the spatial pattern of caldera contraction varied from the concentric pattern to north-south asymmetric pattern in 2008 to 2009. The asymmetric pattern has been going on as we show the time series of PALSAR-2 random side change on the right side. In the future, we try to construct models to interpret the physical mechanism of the spatial variation of caldera contraction. Thank you for watching.